Chris.
How you doing?
Not bad. What are you doing today?
Skydiving.
No way.
Yeah, what?
Shut the front door.
Shut the...
Get out. Your first time. This is your first time.
Yes.
I'll bet you're excited.
Oh, I'm pumped.
Are you nervous?
No.
You're not scared?
No.
You know what? Nothing to be scared of. We have lots of great instructors here. As long as you didn't get Greg, you'll be fine.
I'm not sure which one was Greg. Is that mine?
What's up, man? Come on up here, man.
You probably forget I said that then.
Okay.
What do you think it's going to be like?
I'm sorry?
What do you think it's going to be like?
I'm pumped. I think it's going to be wild.
All right, well, let's go find out then.
All right, sounds
All
good.
right, have a good skydive. We'll see you up there, okay?
Thank you. You too.
Chris, we're almost there. How you feeling? I'm feeling great. In a few minutes, we'll be outside the airplane in free fall. 2.5 miles up, 120 miles an hour straight down. Does that scare you at all? Not at all. I'm ready. I was talking to Greg. Speed does not scare me. All right. Well, good luck. Have fun. I'll see you two outside. Absolutely. Sounds great. I got the knee.
What'd you think, Chris?
Awesome.
It's pretty cool, huh? Would you do it again?
I'm sorry?
Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
Even with Greg?
Absolutely.
All right.
Greg was awesome.
Congratulations. Thanks for letting me join you guys.
That was awesome.